Hey everybody, my name is Doug. Welcome back to the shop. Today it's a cold January day in the Northeast, so it's the perfect day to get down into the shop and do some woodworking. Got a really good friend of mine who needs 40 custom beer tap handles made. I've already come up with the design. I went out and picked up about 100 board feet of rock maple, and we're going to go ahead and process that. So I hope you guys might find something useful in the video, or at least inspire you to get down into the shop and make something cool. So please sit back, relax. Thanks for joining me in the shop, and we'll get started on it. Kind of see here how this wood comes in. Most of it was pretty good. It started to have a little bit of a crown in it as we worked to one side of the board. You can kind of see that a little bit better down here. We're going to have to work around that. We've got a lot of stock left over. These things are about finished size is 2.5 inches wide. So this is this piece is about 7 1/4, and it's 5/4 thick. So I'll probably end up what we're going to end up doing is splitting this down the middle, trying to avoid some of the kerf. So I may go in on one side and on the other side, just to minimize the arc here. Once these things are rough cut to size, we'll go ahead and plane one side, plane the second side, so we've got some square edges to work off of, and then run them through the planer to get them down to thickness, and then clean up that last edge. So let's get started on that. Well, folks, there you have it. We've got 40 tap handles on their way. I didn't include anything in the finishing process because there's nothing more boring than watching paint dry. So I did keep one as a souvenir, so to speak. And what I've got is I just had 2 coats of Sandoval Automotive primer out of a rattle can. Underneath this, 2 coats of gloss black Rust-Oleum out of a rattle can as well. And then I went ahead and sprayed 3 coats of water-based polyacrylic over the top of that to protect the black and also to seal the edges around the laminate sticker. And it seems to be laying out on the sticker fairly well. So hopefully that'll provide years of durability for as long as these tap handles are around. So thanks for joining me in the shop. I'd also like to send a shout out to Barebonesbrewery for giving me the opportunity to go ahead and bring this project out to my subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed it. So thanks again to Barebonesbrewery. Folks, get out there, get down in your shop, build something neat, but always be safe. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.